So I got this part removed from here. It's drying, the paint, and now I already removed that bracket. It's half of it, I had to cut it. I will re-weld it and reuse it. I drilled out the spot welds, and now I'm gonna drill out those spot welds as well, and then I can reuse this. Finally! Now I can clean those, weld those nicely back together and reuse those. Now I'm in the middle of repairing this part here. I had to do the bottom and the side in separate pieces because it has this shape going on. And now I can weld that in here, like something like so. And now I'm making a template for this strengthening piece that goes inside here. So now I got this cut out of metal. Next step is to bend it. Like so, and I can also bend that one now. Actually, for this I can use that. Now it fits quite nice. Now got all the flanges and the bottom weld through primed, all block welded in from the bottom as well. Now I will prime this and we will be done with the frame repair on that section. So nice. This piece is all welded in, and now the last piece of this cargo area floor. And next little project on that car, we need to fix the front passenger footwell as well, because it's quite bad. Now the heavy rust is mostly cut out. I have some more cutting to do here, but on the floor part I can start building it up again. Welded a new flange here, and I have now this piece made for here. Now I can weld that one in. That piece welded in and grinded, and again this will be covered with another layer, so let's prime it. Now I have the exact template made out of paper. So here we have that piece fitting up quite perfect. So that is what we had there. Now I can drill those holes into that piece, and then I can remove those brackets from here and weld those. One on this piece and the other one I will weld here. Some of the bracket is still here, so I'm gonna weld it back together and then we can put that piece in. That bracket all in and grind it nicely. Now I'm gonna put some primer on this. One goes here. Ready to weld this in now. Like a glove. Got another template made. Now I'm ready to cut this out of metal. Now I have that piece ready to be welded in as well. Now that piece is ready to get welded in here. I'm gonna weld it in and grind it, and then we can make that part or patch. Done. I'm gonna fix that rust spot as well while I'm at it. As you can see, this part is very badly rusted. I will need to replace this metal here. Now I'm trying to feel where the rust might be. I must do something like that. Something like that. It needs some more bending and hammering, but we will see you when I have this piece ready. My piece is here. Fitting up quite nicely. I have this piece now ready to go in. I painted the inside of it. That repair now done as well.